see how you can migrate a WhatsApp API number that you have registered from any other BSP to our platform. Very first thing you need to do is you need to go to business.facebook.com/wa/manage. You'll come to WhatsApp manager like this. Click on your particular number which you want to migrate, and then click on two-step verification and then disable the two-step verification. Now once you click on this, you'll receive an email from Meta wherein you can turn off the two-step verification. So let me do it once from my mobile phone. Okay. Now in the email there is a link that you need to click. It will take you to WhatsApp website and it will have a button to simply turn off two-step verification. Once that is done, go to our WABA platform. Click on Connect WABA. Click on Create New WABA. Log in with Facebook. Select the appropriate business in which your existing WhatsApp account is connected. Create a new WhatsApp business account and then enter the details. Now the display name should be the exact display name that you have already. So you can go to your profile and you can copy it from here. This is your existing WABA. Uppercase, lowercase, space, dot, nothing can be changed. So it has to be exactly the same. Best to copy and paste it. Select your category and then click on next. Enter the same number, the number which you want to migrate. Next, it will give a yellow alert in this form wherein it says that the number is already registered with the BSP, and if you want to move, your previous connection with the old BSP will stop working. Click on next and request for OTP. Now enter the OTP. Click on finish. After this, give it 1 or 2 seconds and select WABA from drop down. Click on save selection. So very first we disabled the two-factor authentication from the previous provider. Then we created a new WABA, copied the display name, completed the OTP process, and the number shows here. Now first you need to set the payment method. So after clicking on set payment method, we were taken to this page. We went to settings, we went to payment settings, and we are here. Now click on add payment method. Select your country as well as your currency. Enter a payment card. Please ensure you have international payments enabled on this card. Once you have set up the card, kindly update your business info. Once the business info is updated, kindly go back to the WABA dashboard. Now click on these three dots and set the two-factor authentication. So to migrate a WABA, step 1 is disabling two-factor authentication from previous provider. Second, creating the WABA, replicating or copying the exact display name. Third, setting up the payment method in the new WABA. And then fourth, completing the two-factor authentication again. After this, if you click on the view icon and if you go on the general details, you'll see that your number is connected, and if you have green tick or any templates, even those will get automatically migrated to the new WABA. So this is how you can do migrations. Thank you.